believe the prophecies.
They claim a great king shall take my throne. There's only one king, and that is Herod. If you wish to prove your loyalty, you know how.
Tonight darkness hides in the form of a child. Snuff out the darkness, and the light of honor will shine.
You will unleash all the powers of hell.
Who you fear, he is. He is.
You can still choose which king to serve. Salvation is not what you imagine.
My son, I do not know what weight you must carry. But I know you have come to reveal God's deepest secret. Love is stronger.